Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys what is my morning skincare routine. So let's get started. So first of all, it's very important to clean your hands. So I am using this sanitizer because the current situation is very bad. So it's a good habit to sanitize your hand before the starting the skincare routine. So first of all, I will clean my face with this Neutrogena product. It says it's a deep clean facial cleanser, normal to oily skin. I am using this product since 2 months, so it's a good product though. You can use it too. And I am cleaning my face with this cleanser. It's a first step, and second step is wash your face with your face wash. So second is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Honey Gel. It's a very good face wash. I am using it since 2019, so it seemed like 1 year I am using this product, and it's a very good product and it suits my skin. Third thing is Lotal Herbal Apti Scrub. It's a scrub. It's very important to scrub your face, basically on the nose area. It helps to clean your dark circles and blackheads. And the fourth thing and the final thing is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Cucumber Toner. It's a toner for normal to oily skin, and it's a Himalayan waters. It says it's a pure tightening toner with Himalayan waters. I will do just a little dab on my face so the open pores will become normal, and it helps my skin to little softer become. And that's it. So first thing, I will wash my face with this Biotic Ayurveda Bio Honey Gel face wash. So it's important to wash your face at night because in all day many dirt come to your skin. So to clean your face, it's good, and it helps to just relax. And next thing, I will do a face mask. It's from Garnier. It's a charcoal face mask. I will leave it for 15 minutes, and then just with the mask I rub the face just gently. I will rub my face with that, and after that I just put some water in it and clean my face. That's it, nothing. And you can see how bright my skin are looking. And next I will just put a little lip balm. It's from Lakme Lip Love. I'll put just some lip balm in my lips, and I'm ready to go to my bed. And that's my skincare routine. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.